Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Merry Christmas to you all, and we wish you a prosperous new year. Guys, today this machine, let me just say, hand dryer, I ordered it from Amazon. I'll be dropping the link in the box below. It's a 3-mouth or 4-mouth hand dryer. Okay, this one was because of this I really ordered it, the comb out, because I've gotten all these in my other dryer. So because Treasure's hair, as you can see, is really much. Even when you relax it, the hair is really much. So that's why we ordered this, and we'll be trying it on our hair today. So guys, let's see. You see, it's really picking the hair, especially that part that we could not even reach. It's hot. Okay, where's the red band? You see, let me just do this part because I don't want this video to be long at all. I just want you guys to see, and maybe if there's anyone that is needing something like this, to get it. Okay, so I'll be changing the mouth now. Okay, let me use this one. This is the main part, the main reason I bought it. Okay, this particular one. Okay, so you don't notice, you see. So guys, you see what happened? You see what happened here? This one is really nice. Okay guys, you see, I don't want to do everything because this video I don't want it to be too long at all. So it's really easy for me to comb now. Right from the bottom you can take it, compared to this way. You see, it's hard. This side is hard to comb, while this side is really easy for you to comb. Okay, when you use the thermal oil, on my other video I showed you, there's no way the hair will cut, there's no way the hair will be breaking. Okay, this is a little girl of 8 years hair, and yeah, this is it. So thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.